My name is Kristen Manner, and I am going to talk about the ozone depletion. So the ozone layer is depleting. With growing research, scientists have found the cause, and that's mass human consumption. The NOAA has found that 4% of the stratospheric ozone layer has been depleting over the past with each decade. And that's since the 1970s. So what's happening is HFCs are being emitted into the atmospheres, and what's happening is these chemicals are coming from air conditioners and refrigerators, and they're being emitted into the atmosphere, and they don't get broken down into the stratospheric layer. And that's where we're finding our ozone depletion, because the chlorine that's found in that chemical is attaching to the O3 molecule, which makes up our ozone layer. So, now that you know what is happening, I'm going to tell you the causes of the ozone depletion. So, first, the soil is less nutritious than it once was. The high intensity UV rays that are now coming through are eliminating bacteria that are very essential to soil to keep healthy and producing plants that are healthy. So what's happening now is plants are breaking down and insects are losing their homes. And that's at a small level, but if you look at a food chain, it always starts at the bottom, and we will soon see the effects. Secondly, we as humans have seen the effects very clearly. So, harmful UV lights are accelerating asthma and cancer rates. Specifically, 46% increase in skin cancer has been seen over the past couple years, and ozone depletion is compounded, so that means each generation is going to see accelerated rates of these conditions. So these facts are pretty alarming, but there are solutions that are coming into effect, and with research are growing exponentially as well. So for one, as Americans, we drive a lot of cars, and we've now become more aware of the ozone layer and have started micromanaging car dealerships and having them have an average MPG on the lot. Also, those harmful HFCs that I was talking about, they are now banned from refrigerators and air conditioning units. Where we see them still are large companies, but they are being restricted now. So overall, the world's composition is changing because of the ozone depletion, and these changes have caused adverse effects on the organisms as well as the earth. We now know that the ozone layer protects us from harmful UV rays. If we keep researching and make the changes we need, we can start to rebuild what we've destroyed.